In this video, I will show you how to turn off disappearing messages on Instagram. Instagram's disappearing messages features allow you to send messages that automatically vanish after they are viewed. To disable disappearing messages, first of all, open the Instagram application. On the home screen, tap on the messenger icon from the top right corner. This will take you to the direct messages section where you can see all your private chats. In the DMs list, choose the chat where you want to turn off disappearing messages. If you have many chats, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the contact by typing their name. Once you find the person, tap on their name to open the chat. Once inside the chat, tap on the person's name or group name at the top of the screen. This will open the chat settings where you can manage different conversation features. Here you will see the option of disappearing messages. Right now it's showing the on status due to which the messages automatically disappear. To turn it off, tap on it. Here you will see different options to select whether you want to turn this feature off, disappear the messages once they are viewed, or after the 7 days, etc. Now to turn off disappearing messages, simply select the off option. As soon as you tap on it, the disappearing messages will be successfully turned off for this chat. This setting only applies to this specific chat. If you want to turn it off for other conversations too, you must repeat these steps for each chat separately. And this is how you can turn off disappearing messages on Instagram.